wanna play catch?
Hi, Dale.
Sure, we'll play catch. Oh no!
No, we have nothing to do now.
I'm so bored.
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
Have you heard of Boo Radley?
Yeah, he's really creepy.
Doesn't he live in that house over there? I heard that he eats cats.
I heard he stabbed his father with scissors.
You're a disgrace.
Die!
I heard that he looks through the window at children playing.
I heard that he plays with puppets.
Yeah, puppet, puppet, puppet. Yeah, monkey, monkey, monkey. Ha, yeah, monkey.
What a weirdo.
I know.
Ew.
He's so creepy.
So I heard Boo Radley never comes out of his house.
We should go play pranks on him.
That's a great idea.
Let's go ring his doorbell.
Yeah.
Radley, come out.
Look, who put this candy in the tree?
I wonder if it tastes good.
Oh, wow.
It's so good.
I wonder who put it there.
Wow, look at that fire.
Oh my god.
It's so bad.
Maybe Boo Radley isn't so bad after all.
Yeah, maybe he's the one who's doing all these nice things for us.
Like putting the candy in the tree?
Or wrapping a blanket around us.
Why do we play all these mean pranks on him?
I don't know, but I think that we should stop. We may need his help in the future. He seems like a really nice guy.